I hope everyone had amazing holidays, and I'm here back for you because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom bullet points for ClickFunnels and how to implement them inside any page you want in your funnel. So without further ado, let's get started. So now that we're back at my computer, let me show how this bullet point pinky stuff is done. So when I first saw them, it was on this .com secrets page, it's Russell Brunson's page, and I was like looking over his page because he has some, I mean, he always has cool design, so why not, I said. And I saw these bullet points he has here. I was like, oh, damn, those look so cool. That must be an image. And he somehow correlates the bullet point with an image because that already exists in ClickFunnels. I was like, I want to have that. So I funnel hacked his funnel and I came up with the exact same bullet points, which I'm going to show you in today's video. So I started out with just a blank page, blank template from them. So you can see it here. It's just a template I chose from ClickFunnels, nothing fancy here. Cool. So I had this. And then don't worry, you'll see some custom code in this video. I will put it in the description of the video and you can just grab it from there and put it inside your funnel and modify it. And that's basically it. Don't have to really understand what's going on, just have to tweak some things to match your design. But I'll show you exactly how. So first, let me add a list here. We'll add it here. So you want to go to elements, add element, search for list, it's bullet list, and let's add it right here. Let's make it a little bit bigger just so you can see it better, like 20. Yeah, cool, 20 is cool. Let's give it a top margin. Good. So we have this list right now. This would be your benefits, your whatever. And now you wanna head here in settings, custom CSS, and add this custom CSS there. You'll have it in the description, no worries. So you want to have it exactly the same, and I'll explain in a second what it does. Here you'll have the colors and everything, you can tweak it. So these two rules here basically override the default rules, like as you can see here, the check marks and everything, the space in between those. So they override those rules. You want to have that in place. And then up here is where you can tweak your bullet point. So in this particular example, I just copied the bullet points here, but I'll show you how to change the color. So as you can also see here, I added this title. So it's div data title, custom bullet points, pink. You can name this whatever you want. So let's say funnel plate, funnel plate. One thing though, it must be unique to all the lists you want to customize in this particular color. So this is super important. So just name it all in with the same name. So it's funnel plate all the way. Cool. Now you want to go here to the list. Click on this gear icon here. Get CSS info. Just delete this. Copy paste the exact same name you put there. So before for me it would have been custom bullets pink. Now it's funnel plate for this example, and click update. Boom. As you can see, it already appeared here. And if I go to preview, let's close this. We go to preview. Boom. Here we have it. It's exactly the same as Russell has it. Obviously, it's like bigger, bold stuff, whatever. So let me close this. I don't need it anymore. And we have this, but how can we change the color to match our page color, because here we have black with orange. I'll just pick this orange here. Let me see what it is. Okay. So it's this color. I mean, I have this color picker. You can search for colors on Hexa or HTML color codes. I agree. And you have all these color codes here. You have the RGB, you have the hexadecimal color code. So you can pick whatever color. If you just move this switch here, the toggles, you'll just have this changed. I just copy paste it from the page. Again, I'm going into custom CSS and I'll have this here. This is the background color and this is the box shadow. Background color is what's this little dot inside. The box shadow, it's the outer of this little icon. You can obviously have only the little dot inside if you prefer. So you can just delete the box shadow and you'll have that. As you can see, just here in the background, it's like a little tinted because of the overlay, but you can see it. And when I put it back, it's right there. Okay, but now let me change. I have this, or was it? Come on, I'll pick it again. So I want this orange to be the inside, like the inner side of my circle, and I want a box shadow. So take it for a spin. Cool. Let me see. Do I want black? Probably. Yeah. I want this like gray. No, actually, let's put black because so it's 000 RGB. You want RGB. It's 000 for black. Okay. So I'll put it 0, 0, and another 0. And now you're gonna ask, hey Rimas, but what's up with 0.25? You just said that RGB has 3 points. Yes, this is the opacity. So if it's 0.25, it means that it's only 25% opaque. If it were to be like, if I were to delete this, it would have been 100% opaque. Or if I were to put it like 50% opaque, and you know, stuff like that. And here you go. We have just modified our bullet points. We have it like this. And one more thing I want to show you inside this custom CSS stuff. You'll see this box shadow, like you have some pixels in here. By the way, everything else you don't really want to mess with that much. I mean, you can change the width and height of the bullet point from here. So let's make it double. As you can see, it just doubled the bullet point. Well, let me show you. So it's double right now, but if that's the case, you want to have your text to be bigger as well, so it matches it, you know. So every single time you change the text size, you want to have kind of matching sizes for the bullets probably. So this is how you do that. For the time being, I'll revert this to be 10 pixels and 10 pixels. Let me show you what this does. Let me say I make a 26 radius. Do you see how the box shadow just increased enormously? If you want to achieve this CD-like texture or bullet point, this may be useful for you. If not, you can just discard it and that's it. But I want to show you anyway. Cool. So you will find the link in, the custom code in description, the regional one without anything else, and you can comment down below for more videos like this. What would you like to see next? Until next time.